Well, howdy diddly dandy there. Chums, you know that I like to share with you things that I've found on the internet that are very interesting, or at least I feel that they're interesting. I've found one of those such things, and the beautiful thing about this is it's actually made right here in good old Blighty in the UK. The UK, they've got offices in London, Oxford, and Australia. Hold on. The Australia one doesn't quite fit the bill, but let's jump on over. Let me show you what I'm on about, people inside the viewerverse, because this is freaking ace. At least I think it is. Righto, people. So, quantum computers normally look like giant chandeliers. This thing just looks so beautiful. Let's just hit the product. Let me show you this. I mean, this is by a company called Quantum Motion. If I hit contact first, here you go. Offices in London, Oxford, and Sydney. I've already filled in a form. I said, yes, I am Captain Steve. I've got a YouTube channel. I have a couple of questions, and I would love to meet you computer wizards in person. Yes, please let me know if this is doable, because I want to stick a video on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm hoping they reply. They probably never will, but here we go. You've got to see this. This is mind-blowingly awesome. I thought this was going to be years away, okay, where you would actually see one of these things appearing inside a server room. I thought it was going to be decades away. I'm going to play this video in a bit. I haven't watched the video. I haven't watched it. You're going to get my actual reaction to this, and you can tell how excited I am just from what else I've seen. I haven't clicked that, I promise. I have seen this. I can't lie. I've seen this. This looks like something out of Star Trek, doesn't it? I'll be expected to walk into there and beam myself to the moon or something, you know? It looks freaking amazing. And look how lovely it sits with all these servers as well. It doesn't look completely alien. It doesn't look out of place. It looks like something out of the X-Men or something. You'd expect to walk up to it and go, hello, Jarvis. And they go, hello. It would be quite cool if we could have an AI interface for these sort of things in time. And I'm sure that's probably going to be on the agenda at some stage. But wow, does it look beautiful. It doesn't look like one of those crazy chandelier things, which I'll show you some Google images so you know what I'm on about in a bit. But let's go back up. I haven't actually scrolled down or have a look at this or whatever. But I'm going to be going, oh, it does mention artificial intelligence there with quantum, and what it could do for, you know, pharmaceutical and the medical, and perhaps even preventing serious diseases. The application for quantum is another level. I don't think people understand just how revolutionary quantum computing is going to be until it actually ends up in server arrays like this and starts changing industry. Because at the moment, it just feels too airy-fairy in a way, offset that no one can actually get hold of this stuff right now. That's how it feels anyway. Let's hit this video. Can I make it full screen?
Quantum Motion has built and delivered the industry's first full-stack silicon quantum computer using CMOS silicon transistor technology, the world's most scalable semiconductor platform. Delivered to the UK's National Quantum Computing Centre, this is a full-stack silicon quantum computer built using the same standard silicon fabrication used to make the chips in your phone and laptop. This is quantum computing's silicon moment.
This system takes quantum computing out of the R&D lab and into the data center. It's been designed to work where industry needs it to be. Quantum Motion's tileable architecture shows that quantum computers can be more scalable, more affordable, and more practical than anyone had imagined.
Yeah. Quantum Motion's successful deployment of their hardware into our laboratories here at Harwell is a really exciting first step to start to explore the capabilities of the hardware and explore the kind of next steps in the technology as we scale these systems up.
Quantum computing offers us the ability to understand nature like never before and opens up routes to solving problems that we can't even imagine tackling with today's computers. From personalized healthcare and targeted drug design to materials discovery and logistics, there are immense possibilities for impact.
He's very dapper. I like his style.
For that next inflection point in computing. We don't need exotic technologies, football stadium-sized machines, and megawatts of power. With CMOS, our quantum computers will easily fit in a few racks in a standard data center.
Quantum Motion is bringing commercially useful quantum computers to market this decade. This system delivery is the first step.
When I look at the new system we've just delivered to the NQCC, built by the amazing interdisciplinary team of scientists and engineers that we've assembled here at Quantum Motion, the message is clear. Silicon quantum computing has just landed.
Oh, look at it! Looks like something out of Doctor Who. Oh man, these people are
Quantum Motion has built
wizards.
and delivered the industry's first.
That's another level. That is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing, people. Now, I was on their homepage earlier, or reading somewhere in here, where they were talking about the chips being the size of like a postage stamp. Here it is here. So they're using silicon, and they're managing to get little silicon tubes to be like, to cover the area of the inner size of London. This is mind-blowing stuff. It's just almost impossible to fathom inside of my mind. How have we gone from where we were when the Nokia 5310 arrived to now? It just blows my mind. Human ingenuity, people. It really does. So, anyway, people, what I did mention is I'd show you what other quantum computers look like, right? So let's see if we can bring up another Explorer window, and we'll take a look-see. Okay, chums, so in this window behind me right here, I'll try and extend it out a little bit. I mean, I don't want to cover too much of what's happening in the background because it's such an ace freaking video. But look at these things. They almost look like giant freaking cable meshed jellyfish or something, or massive chandeliers. I mean, look at these things, and then you look how beautiful this thing looks, created by Quantum Motion. So yeah, that company name again, Quantum Motion. I'll put a link to their website in the video description so you can keep your eye on all of this sort of stuff and how it develops. But now that they're the first to make this scalable and bring it to the mass market, I wouldn't be surprised if other companies do the same thing. I thought that we was maybe, I don't know, another 5-10 years away from having anything like this, and now that it's on our doorstep, now it just opens up the doors of possibilities so much more than what I envisaged prior. A proper quantum computer in a rack that doesn't look hideous. It's unbelievable, people, unbelievable, and I really hope they reply. It'd be freaking awesome to do a vlog and get to see some of these people and what they envisage the future is for this, and what its general application would be for general Joe public, and if not for general Joe public, what this might mean for, say, like maybe the cryptocurrency market. I mean, if these things can solve calculations in a matter of seconds that it would take hundreds of computers to do years, then how quickly could this thing mine Bitcoin, for example? Does make me worry a little bit about the crypto market. Could it take a crash if somebody could have one of these in their garage, fire it up and mine Bitcoin per second? Yeah, well, I'm going to ask that question. What ramifications does it have for such a thing? You know, can it be used for farming of coin? They could be a self-funding project. Maybe they haven't thought of that, but there we go. Anyway, people, they're the main questions I'd have for it, more so than any. Oh, and then could it map the human genome, and could it solve like disease? Pretty much. Yeah. Anyway, people, that's everything I've got for you. Very interesting. Check out the video description for more. Until next time, goodbye, and goodbye again.
It's the